Hi everyone, welcome back. In this quick video I want to show you how to compress a existing PDF file size. So we are going to use the online free tool to compress the existing PDF file size. So here I have prepared the PDF file and I am going to compress this PDF file size. So first of all, let us check the quality of the content. So just open the PDF file and you can see the quality of the PDF file over here. Okay, let me close this PDF file, and here let us check the size of the file. Right click on the file, click on properties, and here you can see the size 12.4 MB. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use online free tool to compress the PDF file size. So let us head over to the Chrome browser. In a new tab, just type compress PDF file size online and hit enter. And here go ahead and click on this first link, adobe.com. So this is the online free tool that we are going to use to compress PDF files. Okay, and make sure that you are using adobe.com. So this is the official website of Adobe. Next, in order to upload the PDF file, go ahead and click on this select a file button and go to the file location. In my case, desktop PDF folder. Within a PDF folder I have this PDF file. I am going to open this PDF file. Next, here compress PDF file, and here we have different options. Select compression level high, medium, low. Let us keep best compression high as it is. Selected as it is. Next, click on compress. And there we go. You can see your compressed PDF is ready. And if you can see the size, the original file size is 12.43 MB. After compressing, the PDF file size is 2.29 MB. You can see the difference over here. Next, in order to download the compressed PDF file, click on this download button over here. And there we go. The download is successfully completed. Next, open this PDF file in the folder and let me copy this. And let me go to the original PDF file location just to compare both the PDF files. Now if you right click on this compressed PDF file and go to the properties, you can see the size over here 2.29 MB. And if you see the original PDF file size again 12.4 MB. Look at the difference over here. And if you can check the quality of the content, let us first check the original PDF file content. Okay, next open the compressed PDF file and just check the quality of the content. It looks good. Okay, so this is how we can compress the PDF file size. So there are also different free online tools that you can use to compress the PDF file size. For example, if you can just go to the browser and just search for compressed PDF files online. Alright, so now we have used this adobe.com. Next, iLovePDF. So this is also a great tool to compress the PDF files online. Small PDF also great tool to compress the PDF file online. So these are the three popular online tools that you can use to compress the existing PDF files. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video.